Same problem you will do with one more way. Here, you always checked first character, right? I want you to think again. This time, not checking the first character, checking the last character. You can come from backside also, right?
Yeah, I can do from backside as well. Yeah.
Can you apply that thinking and rewrite this code once again? Delete this code you have written.
Yeah.
This time what I want is, if your string is the first string, last character is X, so answer should be 1 plus your substring should be remaining string,
Correct.
right?
Yeah.
Then another X from the end should be considered, and then remaining string should be XXHI.
Correct. Correct.
And then I should be checked, remaining string should be XXH. That is a different thinking. That is also recursive thinking, correct?
Correct. But you want me to start from the backside, not from the first.
Correct. I want you to start from backside and do it on your own. I'm watching it. Yeah. C small.
Yes. Yes. So then.
Now here I would want Kashyap you to search Java doc, open Java documentation. Say Java doc. No, say Java doc doc.
Sorry.
Space string. Yeah, so it will directly show you the yeah, open. In this, search for the documentation of substring function. Control F. Substring. Yeah, go down further, search further. Yeah, further, hit enter, hit enter, hit enter. Yeah, these are two substring functions. Second substring,
Correct.
click the title. Yeah, yeah. Not here, not here. Go back.
Sorry. One.
Go substring, search for substring. Yeah. And I want you to click the function name. You click the return type. Yeah, click here. Now read the documentation and help me what this documentation is telling you.
Yeah, it's pretty much saying that, it is a string, that the substring of string, this begins at the index and extends the character at, and then extends to the character of n. Thus, substring and index begin index.
To end -1.
N-1, correct.
Look at the first example.
Yeah, hamburger substring 4 and 8 returns, yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 8. Yeah.
Now, is it giving 4 to 8 index or 4 to 7 index?
It is giving to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 until 8.
No. Is it saying urger or it is saying urge?
URG. Yeah, sorry, it is saying urge. I thought
Documentation. Reason I'm asking you to read documentation is I'm not asking you to skim through. I'm asking you to understand it. Read again. Returns a string. Read the description above it, above examples.
Return string that is a substring of the string. The substring begins at the specified begin index and extends to the character at index n-1. Yes.
Understood that last index I cannot take.
Correct.
Okay. So 4 to 8 returns urge. Smiles dot substring 1 to 5 returns.
1 to 5 returns mile.
If I say smiles, if I ask you smiles and I give substring 2 to 3, 2, 3, what will it return?
Zero, one, two. I. It'll return I.
I only. Perfect. Now you understood it. You have to
Yeah.
use this. Go back to coding bat.
String. So this will be 0, comma. Uh,
Yes. What is going on in head?
yeah, I know I have to decrement this, but I'm just seeing like how I keep decrementing this for every recursive call.
So what is the string you want to pass? If hix was the string, what do you want to pass?
Uh,
If the string is hix only, yeah, only
H-
hix. Yeah. Last
um,
character X, what
I'll
would
have
you
to. I mean, length minus 2 will give me hi.
okay, so what will be the second parameter of substring? You want to pass hi. What would be the parameter?
Uh, I mean, thing is, I can do minus 2, but that will only work for this call. But subsequent calls as well, like it has to work, right? So that's where I'm.
Okay, paste it.
Yeah,
Now think about in hix, what is the length of hix?
3,
3. So when you do length minus 2, what are the two parameters you are passing in substring? 0, comma 3
0,
minus 2.
1,
So
1,
0, comma
0,
1 means what substring will it give? Hix.
hi.
Only h. You just now understood
Yeah,
that
yeah, 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 yes.
first index is excluded.
Correct.
So it should be minus 1. Minus 1 means if it is hix, 3 minus 1 will be 2. If you get substring 0 to 2, what will be the substring?
0, 1, 2. It'll be hix again.
No. We just now learnt in the documentation, if you give
Yeah,
0 to 2 is excluded. It will give only a
correct.
minus 1.
0, 1, 0, 1. Correct. Hi.
So this
Hi.
is correct. This is
Yeah,
correct now.
yeah.
Yeah, write the else case, write the base case. And here, let's not use length. Let's say dot equals str dot equals in the base case.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, this is fine. This is fine. In base case, dot equals small e in round bracket, double quotes, empty double quotes. Yeah, that's it. So see, length 0 would also work. This would also work. This is just another way. So your
Mm.
code still has some issue. Can you look at this function has some bug? You're missing out something. Can you read it again? In else case, there is an issue.
Oh,
Okay. Now, in if case also there is some issue. It will not compile. In if case. Inside if case, what are you returning?
1 plus count
Uh,
str dot substring.
okay. Do you see anything missing in this line? Okay, hit go, it will tell you what is missing.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so it is done. You just see, compare this with previous code that you had written.
Yeah. I mean, here we are just going from back and then we are just decreasing the substring. Uh, and then we are just Yeah.
So this is making sense, right?
Yeah. Yes.